Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can enable auto translate on TikTok in 2025 update. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then log into your account and go to profile and then click on three lines on the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. You will come in this page and you have to simply click on the privacy section, and whenever you comes in this settings and privacy panel, you have to simply scroll all the way up until you see this content and display. You will see over here language. Click on that and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. App language as well, you can see always translate post as well, or translate into, or do not translate into. This you can see over here a bunch of options. So by any chance you have untoggled this option always translate post, so you have to simply click on this and turn this toggle into blue color. So as you can see, this is turned on. So whenever I go to scroll some feed, they will, if the language is changed by English or like any other English, they will translate for me in English. So that's how you can translate it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.